We ride stunt bikes. Of course my motor mounts are
We ride stunt bikes. Of course my bike's not clean. Oh, brother. Oh.
brother. We ride stunt bikes. Of course I don't give a shit about my fairings.
Nothing.
If 18 doesn't even... Oh, dude, that's so gritty.
Ooh, brother. Ooh. Oh, that's so bad.
That's money.
That's actually flat.
Ooh, brother. Ooh.
You know, these are like still connected to the fairings over here. But we gotta take every one of these clips off, all of these grommets, everything. We gotta go through all of this shit and make
You got a
sure
heat
that-
gun to check off his Yamaha? These two pieces are...
I mean, it didn't go in that easy. Okay, so that's in. This needs to pop in.
Oh, yeah.
Ooh.
Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah, all done. Psych.
So, it's gotta come way forward, so you gotta unclip this.
I don't have squeeze. You gotta squeeze it and push. Squeeze this little guy. Keep it in your shit. Yeah, there you go. Alright, so it's gotta come forward and it like clips into there and then it'll slide, clip, clip.
Oh, yeah.
Oh. Nice and good.
Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah.
She did went right up there, boy.
Delicious.
It's so good.
Stuff. Is there like a grommet in this?
Oh yeah. I mean, it sort of feels that way, doesn't it?
Yeah.
Where is it though?
That looks like it's got.
Is there?
some kind
Hey.
of screw? Yeah, there's a screw
Right there.
here and there's a screw up under.
Yeah. So there's one, but I think the plastics that go here sort of click into this and then screw into that.
All right, now we gotta figure out which one of these bolts went in there.
Don't get his face. He's famous.
You
He
can
can't use this.
It's kind of tight, but it works.
Gotta say, oh shit, I almost fell. Yeah, I'll just say what he said. Yeah, guys, so it's basically all on. The fittment's kind of tight, but it all works. Oh, I forgot about that. Just pop back down.
That's not supposed to be like that.
And we're putting on a full cage. Yer. Oh, yeah. Brother.
That is fuck too.
What do you mean?
My bolt, brother. It looks like shit.
Oh,
Shit! Damn.
Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah.